Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best puppy must-haves is probably one of the most exciting times for both you and your new furry friend. But with so many products on the market, it can be overwhelming to know where to start. In this video, we'll explore the essential items every new puppy owner needs, from cozy beds and durable toys to nutritious food and grooming supplies, ensuring your puppy's health, happiness, and well-being. Number 5. Pet MD Dog Ear Cleaner Wipes. Is your dog suffering from itchy ears? These wipes are designed to gently clean and soothe your pet's ears, helping to stop itching and prevent infections. It's a simple solution for a happier, healthier dog. This advanced formulation not only cleans but also deodorizes and dries your pet's ears. Regular use helps to reduce wax buildup and remove debris. It keeps them clean and comfortable. These wipes are gentle and safe for regular use, making them a great addition to your dog's grooming routine. They help prevent ear infections and keep your dog's ears healthy. You can use it without worry. Each container comes with 100 convenient, soothing, and non-irritating disposable wipes. They are perfect for dogs over 12 weeks old. It's easy to use and dispose of. These wipes help reduce foul ear odor and prevent infections, keeping your dog happy and healthy. It's a medication-free way to maintain your dog's ear health. Give it a try. These wipes are made in the USA in federally regulated manufacturing facilities, ensuring quality and safety. You can trust the product for your beloved pet. It's a reliable choice. What we like. This ear cleaner is perfect for keeping your pup's ears clean and healthy. It gently cleans and deodorizes, preventing infections and reducing wax buildup. If you have a dog prone to ear issues or simply want to maintain good ear hygiene, you should consider this product. What people say. The puppy pads are very absorbent and do not leak. The training clicker is a great tool for positive reinforcement. The included waste bags are a convenient addition for walks. Number 4. Bedsure Orthopedic Dog Bed, Medium, Gray, 28. This orthopedic bed is designed to provide your pet with exceptional support. The high-density foam helps distribute weight evenly, offering pressure relief and joint support for a comfortable sleep. The four-sided bolster design promotes ultimate comfort and security. It offers various cozy positions for your pet to snuggle in. The lowered entrance is designed for easy access. The durable foam mattress is encased in a waterproof liner. You can easily remove the zippered cover and machine wash it. This makes it easy to keep the bed clean. This supportive pet bed is wrapped in soft flannel fabric. Your furry friend will find it cozy and relaxing. It's the perfect place for them to rest. Made with OEKOTX certified materials, this bed is safe for your pet. The non-skid bottom keeps it in place. It's a comfortable and secure space for your dog. What we like. This orthopedic dog bed provides unparalleled support for a deep, restful sleep. The waterproof and washable design ensures easy maintenance, while the comfortable materials keep your pet cozy. If you are looking for a bed that supports your dog's joints and offers ultimate comfort, you should consider this. What people say. The bolstered sides give him that support he needs, and he actually sleeps more comfortably and deeply now. Quality seems solid. Zipper allows for removing outside and washing. The removable cover is very practical. It zips off easily and washes well without shrinking or losing softness. Number 3. Vailge Dog Car Seat Cover. This car seat cover comes in 2 sizes, standard and extra large, bigger than most others. It easily converts between a hammock and standard bench coverage, letting you share the back seat with your dog. It protects your entire back seat from dirt, hair, and scratches, fitting various vehicles. The mesh window provides better air circulation, keeping your dog cool or warm. It also allows your dog to see you, reducing anxiety and keeping them calm during travel. This cover has 2 waterproof layers, with a 600D Oxford and TPU coating to prevent stains. The side flaps help your dog get in and out easily, while protecting your car's interior. To ensure safety, the cover is secured with headrest straps, a non-slip backing, and seat anchors. This prevents your dog from slipping during sudden stops. It also has openings for seatbelts, and a free seatbelt is included. The Vailge dog seat cover is easy to clean. You can machine wash it or use a gentle cycle. This makes it convenient to maintain and keep clean. What we like. This car seat cover protects your car seats from dirt, scratches, and pet hair. The mesh window allows your dog to see you, reducing anxiety during travel. If you like to take your dog on car rides and want to keep your car clean, you should consider this. What people say. The adjustable straps fit snugly around the headrests, and the non-slip backing ensures it stays in place, even with my dogs moving around. One of the features I appreciate the most is the mesh window. The cover is genuinely waterproof, handling spills and muddy paws without any issues. Number 2. YABIFE Dog Nail Trimmers and Clippers Kit. Are you tired of expensive grooming appointments? This kit includes both a professional dog nail clipper and grinder. Now you can trim your pet's nails at home like a pro, saving you money and time. You could save a lot of money every year with this tool. Does your pet get scared during nail trimming? This grinder operates at less than 30 dB, ensuring a quiet experience. You can even trim their nails while they are sleeping, without any stress. This nail trimmer offers 3 different speeds to handle any nail hardness. It also features 3 ports designed for different nail sizes. You can easily groom your pet's nails at home like a professional. The built-in LED lights help you locate the quick, preventing accidental injuries. The power percentage display lets you know when it's time to recharge. This helps avoid interruptions during grooming. Forget about special charging cables. This grinder uses a Type-C USB port for fast and convenient charging. A full charge provides up to 12 hours of use, enough to trim the nails of at least 15 dogs. What we like. This nail trimmer offers a quiet and stress-free grooming experience for your pet. With multiple speed settings and LED lighting, it makes nail trimming easy and precise. If you have a pet that is scared of nail clippers, you should consider this. What people say. It's made cutting her nails quick, easy, and painless. I love that there's a light so you can see what you're doing and the quicks on dark nails. The electric grinder is very large and easy to hold and is very easy to use. The LED lighting, 2 LED lights, is helpful in poor lighting conditions and can be switched on separately. Number 1. Native Pet Omega-3 Fish Oil for Dogs and Cats. This fish oil supplement is designed to promote a shiny coat, healthy skin, and strong joints. It's a great way to keep your pet feeling and looking their best. Made with wild-caught pollock and Alaskan salmon oil, this supplement ensures the highest quality. It contains no added fillers, just pure, premium ingredients to support your pet's health. This supplement is packed with essential EPA, DHA, and vitamin E. It supports your dog's immune health, joint mobility, and overall vitality. This fish oil is packed with omega-rich nutrients to support skin, coat, joint, and heart health. It's made with clean, effective ingredients and no added fillers. This supplement helps fight off skin troubles with omega-3, 6, and 9. It supports a shiny coat, reduces shedding, and promotes healthy skin. It delivers essential fatty acids that support heart health and ease stiffness. This helps keep your pet moving like a pro. From playful pups to senior dogs, this supplement is a must-have. It's an easy, tasty upgrade to any routine, supporting skin, coat, and comfort. What we like. This fish oil supplement supports healthy skin, a shiny coat, and strong joints. Made with all natural ingredients, it's a great addition to your dog's diet. If your dog suffers from dry skin or joint stiffness, you should consider this. What people say. The pump makes it super easy to measure and mix into food, and my dog doesn't mind the taste at all. I noticed her coat is shinier and softer, and she's been shedding less since we started using it regularly. I just add a few pumps to their food at every meal and they eat it right up with no hesitation. I really like knowing it's a healthy supplement and good for their coats. I've noticed their fur looks shinier and softer since using it. After 3 days of use, he was puppy bouncing and so happy. No more struggling. I stopped the meds immediately. After a week he was playing and running again. I was thrilled. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.